Morning. So we're off on a morning walk. As you can see, Adrian is here to visit just for a couple days for the Labor Day weekend. Even though it's already Tuesday. We actually woke up early this time. I feel like we always sleep in and we never really get to do anything. So I was like, we're gonna walk early in the morning because right now it's in that really pretty etapa where it's like turning into autumn and the morning sun feels good on the skin. It's always good to get some vitamin D. Okay guys, I completely forgot I was vlogging because my day has just been chaotic all day, but I'm trying to clean menus fast as I can so that I can leave work early. My dad said you can leave, but you have to make sure you help the busboy with all his chores. So. Okay guys, so we came to Texas Roadhouse and Celeste's third wheeling. This is our first time here, so we're gonna see what it's all about. These are the buns, the infamous buns. Oh! Hi, good, how are you? I'm doing good. What do you drink today? Does this have alcohol? Or, yeah? Okay. What type of liquor is it? I think it's a lemon sauce. What is it? Okay. Never mind, I won't do that. You ordered, because I'm still
I'll have the cactus water.
Cactus water? Yeah. Can I get this sangria margarita? Yeah, please. Oh no, the smallest one. Please. Yes, ma'am. And can I get a water as well?
Can I put this with you? Yeah, thank you.
So normal.
Yeah, it's right.
It's like a different consistency though.
So nice.
Where's the menu? Are you like for you, please?
I know. Oh wait.
This has like cinnamon sugar, no?
Yeah, it's the cinnamon butter.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I think these are the menu.
This ramen.
That looks good. Wait, is that online?
Yeah.
I think I...
Ok, vamos a probar esta margarita de sangría, you guys.
For the two sides.
Yeah.
And the steak. Give me the ranch.
Can I get you anything else?
No ma'am, I think that's okay.
Do y'all want any more bread?
Sure.
Yeah, thank you. I'm gonna get bloated.
I don't eat it. Just stare at it.
Mine is so good, but it's because it's sweet. I like it. Want to try?
Cool.
Anyone?
Yeah.
I can't.
And then just take it down right there. Thank you.
I saw the side effects or whatever, and it was like it can have very serious complications. Never mind. No drinking.
Oh no.
I had to fill out a whole stack of paperwork, and it was like,
Was it busy in there?
no, I mean I walked in, it was pretty empty. There was an old man coming in for an appointment.
Okay, so I got a salad with steak. Adrian got a steak with camarones and papas. What is this? Un pan? Celeste got the same thing. Filet, mashed potatoes, broccoli, camarones y pan.
So far, so good. I think the steak has a lot of flavor.
I don't even know if this is the same meat. That looks like in the picture. It's like a brown. piece
Yeah,
of-
that looks flat.
Well,
But I like John.
you too.
I like this tender. I thought the mac and cheese was gonna be more gourmet. Came to my downtown in my town just to come and eat a little Subway or Jersey Mike subs, and I got a really big one. I didn't realize that this is all gonna be for me. But anyways, it smells really good. I even went to the gas station and got a mini Tabasco. We got a Dr. Pepper.
We can share a mini.
No, that is like 4 bites. I'm hungry.
Alright, sure.
Thanks. You too. Should I mix them or do you want to separate them?
Okay.
No.
What? What?
A bee, but bees are nice. You just have to. Oh no, that's not a bee.
What is it?
It's like a primo of a bee.
Is that bad?
No, babe, I don't know. Please go away, please. Please go away.
Oh my god.
Please go away. Where'd it go?
I don't know.
So we went to go walk downtown, and I didn't vlog it because I was just like really in the moment. But we went to Publix, and then I got this drink that hopefully I like it. I'm just really picky. I don't like anything that tastes like diet, like sugar and stevia, not my fave. It has 5 grams of sugar. It's a prebiotic drink, and it's a strawberry and vanilla. We'll see if I like this one. Low-key tastes like medicine. But it's like yummy. It's like a sweet treat kind of thing. Healthy sweet twink. I've never had so much soda in my life in the morning. It's an acquired taste. But I also bought the other ones, like the poppy orange. I love the orange ones. They taste like creamsicle. And I got 2 Stella Rose wine bottles because I really like that wine. It tastes like grape juice. But today we're gonna have a chill day. We're gonna have like a little mini carne asada at my house. And then I may or may not go into the pool. So I don't know. This is my boyfriend Adrian.
We'll say it again, but like,
Okay.
edit it well.
Okay. This is my boyfriend Adrian Ayala. They look you up. So I thought it'd be a good idea to close off this vlog with a Q&A. Let's see if these are cringy or not. Oh, no, yeah.
I need to read it.
Adrian, that's the first question. What was the most fun date you ever had with me? Porque luego vas a decir algo de otra.
I don't know.
I already have mine. Okay, well mine...
There's a lot.
Oh yeah. Mine is probably like when we went to that Grand Ole Opry hotel.
Yeah, I was gonna say that one.
Yeah. Then why didn't you say it? So let's see if you're clapping like a seal. Okay, okay, since that's gonna be yours.
My fun date was
The one we went to Texas Roadhouse yesterday.
Oh yeah, well, your fun day.
my fun date.
Another one is like when we went in Mexico, we went in the middle of El Cerro and we got like tortas and we ate them in the back of the truck. Remember that?
Yeah. Yeah, it was nice.
He's a man of a few words. Okay, guys, like he does care. He's just really shy. Okay. What is your favorite way to relax?
Sleep, lay down.
Yeah,
Listen
lay
to
down.
music.
He loves to lay down and listen to music or sing. I know, it's watching YouTube videos in his living room with tequila water. Oh yeah, with tequila water. When was the last time you cried? I think, when did I last cry? Last week? Oh, because I was watching a really sad trailer of the it was about that dog in Japan that would like wait for his owner. Hachi, the dog's tale of Hachi. I want you to watch it because it's really sad. Okay, so when was the last time you cried? In your dream, when you woke up from your dream?
Oh yeah, but I forgot what the dream was about.
About my dad? I think something about my dad dying.
I think there's another one, more recent.
You said Celeste killed you in your dream, no?
But you cried?
I don't think I woke up crying. Yeah, I just woke up kind of confused.
He had a dream that my sister
shot me in my arm. She shot me in my arm right here. I was like, God damn.
Gosh. Okay. What do you like to spend money on?
I don't really.
Fashion.
Yeah, I don't really waste money. But yeah, clothes.
In your car.
And yeah, car parts. Well, yeah, it's just car parts and clothes.
Okay. Say fashion or skincare right now for me. How much money do you need a year to be comfortable?
A lot.
$1 million? Yeah, a lot. How would you describe a perfect date?
Good food. No, just chilling.
Just chilling.
Just being with you.
With no loud music around, so I can hear you talk.
But I like loud music around.
This is cringy ones. This is when did you know you loved me?
I don't want any cringy ones.
Okay, he's shy.
Hi.
Wait, what the fuck y'all doing?
Yeah, he's probably confused. List the best qualities you have to bring to a relationship. You can talk about it yourself. Like, what do you think you have to offer?
Nothing. I'm just kidding.
Bruh.
Who knows?
Just think about your qualities. Like, what do you like about yourself that you think is good for us too?
I'm fun.
Okay, yeah, he's fun.
I like to go out.
He likes to go out, yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
that's it. You're patient.
I'm patient, yeah.
Yeah. Thoughtful. He's thoughtful.
Yes, he's considerate with, like, he sent me the menu to Texas Roadhouse.
Bro, it's not even that big of a deal.
Well, no, because Giselle doesn't do that.
Damn, you
Yeah,
suck.
that's something that you do bring to the table.
I give people menus.
You give people menus through the phone. What is one difference between us that drives you crazy?
Very little.
No, but like, ¿qué hago yo que te enfada? Like, what's like a pet peeve like, of yours that I do or something like that? That's something that I could say about you is like that he doesn't talk much. So then I'm like, can you tell me what's going through your mind, or what do you think about this? What do you want to do? And he's like, I don't know. And I'm like, bro. And it makes me feel like I'm talking to a wall sometimes. I vibe, you know. Sometimes he talks more, sometimes he's shy.
I can't think of anything right now.
That's so sweet. Hablo mucho.
I mean, I guess you can say that, but that's not always a bad thing. That can be a good thing. Right?
Well, that's so sweet. He thinks I'm perfect, in other words. What do you think of me when we're apart? That's just one question I found.
Yeah, because every day. Because yeah.
When I'm working, I think about you de vez en cuando. If you didn't know, he lives in Nashville and I live here. If this is your first time ever coming across my channel.
Can this be on the video?
Yeah.
Sponsor. Oops.
So what other questions do you think we should? Okay, like if we go to a restaurant, what do I order? Like, drink-wise.
Drink-wise, sweet tea. You seen them?
Babe, I barely drink sweet tea now.
Now,
Tengo como casi half a year que I don't really drink sweet tea.
Coke.
Yeah, usually Coke or water or Sprite. It just depends. Like a Sprite, water, or Coke.
Everything. You can order everything.
Or like yesterday I ordered a margarita, so that was different. He always drinks water with tequila. Like that's just his thing. What else can we ask? You're just like,
I'm trying to think of stuff too. Somewhere you'd want to go on vacation, like out of the country.
Somewhere in Europe.
Oh, okay, thanks, pa.
Hay de esto también, hay Pacífico y Modelo.
Sí.
No, las modelos están en la puerta.
Ok, está bien,
Hay
gracias.
negra y regular.
Muchas thank you.
Thank you. So yeah, if she's not saying anything.
Oh, so I'm listening at my mom, my dad. I know. Do you believe in love at first sight?
Yeah?
Ay,
Is that what happened with us?
Yeah, that's what happened.
What's
Your dad's just looking over, he wants to join the video.
I know. What's y'all's go-to coffee order? Or if you go to Starbucks, what do you get at Starbucks?
He's so indecisive.
You guys list
Me?
each other's.
Yes.
No.
You guys list each other's coffee orders at Starbucks, or
You always get like a caramel or
Caramel or vanilla? It's just
Vanilla?
Yeah, usually a caramel latte, iced latte.
and me, pues I get the same thing as you if I get
Yeah, you
coffee.
always get the same thing.
We're kind of boring. We're kind of predictable. What's your dream job?
That changes depending on what I'm doing at the moment. I always want to be a DJ when I was younger. and now, según yo, I want to be a singer.
Okay, háblales aquí.
So weird. I'm not used to this.
I know, it's a little hard to get used to, but one more question and then we'll end it. Where would you like to live? Like, ideally, like, would you stay where you're at or would you go somewhere else? Okay.
Sure, I'm at. I got everything there. I got Raising Cane's.
wow.
Everybody loves Nashville.
Yes.
Yeah, I guess. Like Alex says, that's the place where he wants to be.
Everybody goes there. I like because I feel like everybody comes to me.
Yeah.
There's always somebody in town like, oh, let's hang out.
Everyone needs to come down to Alabama. We have a lot to offer too. We have beaches, we have farms,
You have squatted trucks.
squatted trucks.
It's like
No, for
squat-
real. Like, there's
like
people
that.
in my town that drive like that. It's kind of
With flags
crazy.
on them.
With those Confederate flags. All right, well, I think I'm gonna end it here, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.